Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a giveaway. Very simple giveaway. All you have to do is be a visible subscriber, comment below that you're interested in the giveaway, and that's it. You have to be 18 years old or older. I'm sorry. Now that's it. So what am I giving away? So I have this Simon Says Stamp Intense Black Premium Dye Ink. It says for solvent and alcohol markers. I have this really cute stamp set that I purchased at Tuesday morning. It's Bo Bunny. It's a Christmas stamp set. And these were on clearance. I'm not trying to hide that fact, but I just thought if I turn it around, you'd be able to see the entire stamp set. And then this one is another Bo Bunny one. Look at that cute little reindeer prancing there. And then last but not least, this Bo Bunny set. So you get all three stamp sets, as well as the Simon Says ink pad. And once again, just be a subscriber, 18 years old or older. Comment below if you're interested in the giveaway, and I'll pull the winner on, let's say, Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, which is a holiday. So I'll let you know who's the winner on Wednesday. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.